welcome back to the channel. I know, I've been trying to fucking, oh, sorry. Yeah, I gotta wash my mouth, right? I've been trying to freaking do a live stream, right? I've been saying I'm gonna do it, and I haven't been able to accomplish it. I thought it was gonna be easy. I really did. I use OBS to do my videos. I was like, oh, cool. It's got a streaming option. I thought it was gonna be like click and go, right? So I wanted it to be all cool, and I designed my whole little background, and yeah, and I've been a complete failure. Can't get it to work. I can stream, guys, but there is a delay. So if anybody out there knows how to stream and knows how I can fix my delay, shoot me a comment. I would really appreciate it. I'm watching some videos, and unfortunately my streaming computer's at work. So tomorrow I'm gonna have to wake up early, go over there, and try it all over again, right? FYI, tomorrow's NFP. Watch out. And yeah, I haven't been able to do my bull knocks experiment, right? Like I wanted to create this. If you're new to the channel, thank you for clicking, and if you're not, thank you for sticking around. Basically, welcome to my journey, right, guys? This channel has become extremely, extremely, extremely important to me now. I have realized the error in my ways in the past, the mistakes that I always make, and for whatever reason, this channel and you guys out there, all 409 of you, really helped me, right? Like, help me hold myself accountable. And now I feel like I'm going to be able to take it to the next level with the live streams, right? So I signed up with Bullnox. It's very similar to Apex. There's a discount code below if you guys want to sign up with me. If you want to support the channel, if not, it's all good. And yeah, we're going to trade, right? We're gonna trade from 9:30 to 11. We're gonna do a 1 minute. It's scalping. It's a 1 minute strategy. We're going to basically be getting in for like 10 to 15 points of stop loss, and we're targeting like 20 points. That's it. Like, that's it. I am not gonna dollar cost average. I am going to stick to the rules because Apex has become a real stickler for that stuff. And I want to be able to prove to myself that I can also accomplish this, right? Obviously, if you're new to the channel, I started this channel a year ago with a specific strategy that's on the 5 minute, and I love that strategy. I took a loss today, and it was my fault, not the strategy's fault. But I love that strategy. Unfortunately, I also like hold on, give me 1 second. That's perfect. Perfect. Okay, cool. I like to look at little candlesticks go up and down, right? Like, I like to trade. So when my strategy doesn't play out every day, I get frustrated. I know I shouldn't. I know people say the less you trade, the more profitable you are. But if I have a strategy that's working out for me, and right now I have three 300K accounts that are in drawdown, unfortunately, because of today's loss, then why not try to diversify, strategies into something else that's more aggressive, let's say, right? Something that's more like you're trying to make that money within the day or week, and that's it. Not so much a set and forget. And that's why I want to do the live trading. When you see my setup, I'm gonna have my Bullnox accounts there live, so you guys can see the beginning balance, the ending balance, and whatever it ends at. Whatever it ends at, and you guys can see the following day to see if it matches, right? And my Apexes are also there. So I'm gonna keep that on there. I got a little screen there with my NinjaTrader when I execute the trade, and then I have my trading view where I'm doing, my markup. And I'm trying to get that to do live without a delay, because obviously if there's a delay, again, guys, it's just documentation of my journey, not financial advice, right? That's what this is. But this way you guys can see me live talk about price action, let's say. So if you're new to the channel, the strategy that I base this channel off of is extremely simple. You're taking price from 12 midnight to 8:30 in the morning, and I do this part pretty much every market review. So you could go to any one of my videos and take a look, but I do the same thing over and over again. All you're going to do is whatever happens to price during that time, consolidation, going up, going down, whatever it is, you're going to mark out the high, you're going to mark out the low, and you're going to wait for either the high or low to be taken out, right? Let me mark out the low. So let's say we take out the low, right? And then what do you wait for, guys? A market structure shift, right? Number 2 rule. And I forgot it. Got it. Right? Idiot. But it's okay. Right? Shit happens. So once you get that market structure shift, you're looking to get in on the pullback. Right? You're going to take a fib top to bottom since we're buying. Right? And you want to put a pending order at the 61.8 and target 2 times risk. That's it. It's extremely simple. Extremely simple. Sound like Sean Connery. Extremely simple. That's it. Right? So that is the gist of the strategy. Last year, the strategy was extremely profitable. Helped me pass FTMO challenges, TFF, TFTs, and a bunch of other ones, right? So, skill from the trader, like I was on a roll, and then I stopped in October, and then all the CFDs took a shit, and then since I wasn't posting on my channel anymore, then all those little bad habits creeped back in and did a number on me, right? But we're back at it again, and we're trading futures now. So, last time I posted a video was on the 3rd. We're going to jump to the 4th, looking at price action. And here we are. I'm just jumping right into it because I have it marked up. Here's the high. Here's a low. We have a break of the high. Market structure shift because we closed below these lows, right? And then we pulled back and down. Now, I know that one of you guys out there told me that when my stop loss is bigger than like 25 points, price usually retraces to the 76. I am going to keep that in mind. And I'll probably start playing around with that. Like maybe, so Apex lets you dollar cost average in once. Meaning that if you take a position here, you can also take another position in drawdown. But that's it, no more than that. If you do more than that, they will not pay you, right? And you're able to pull out and profit, and then let's say you request a payout, they will not pay you. Keep that in mind. You know, so that can happen. So in this scenario, I marked it up as a loser on my chart because I want to be completely transparent. But there definitely was room to make money. If I would have put my, let's say if I would have moved it to the 76, hypothetically speaking, you know, you would have definitely hit that 1 to 2. So that's something that I'm going to keep in mind. Because honestly, if it's like that, then shoot, you know, we're not. Right? Like if I'm gonna go back, take a look at all my data and mark out all the times that the stop was bigger and see if it actually hit that number. If that's true, I'll be a game changer for this strategy. So we have a loss, even though you would have gone into profit about like a 1 to 1.3, just taking out the 61.8. And then after that, there was no trade for this day because there was news, right, at 10 o'clock. So I'll wait for after news, depending on where news price is and everything else, right? So, yeah, I didn't trade this day because of the news. So I will be aware of news and keep that in mind while I'm taking the setup. Now, today, however, I was too busy trying to get my live stream together to realize that I'm an idiot, right? I'm an idiot. Right here, I was like, yes, we swept sell side and let's go in. Like that's honestly how it went. And I was getting so frustrated because I was like, damn, we're bouncing off the fifth. Like if I would have just done it and okay. So a lot of times it does bounce off the 50 and it'll give you a 1-to-1. Now, if that happens, stay out of the trade. Today, however, I didn't listen to my better judgment and I didn't even realize that there was no market structure shift, right? Like this is let's say this is the high that created the low that took out this liquidity. I did not break above this and I did not close above this. There was a no trade entry for me and I'm an idiot. I am a complete and utter idiot for taking this trade. Complete stop loss. It sucks, but it is what it is. So those accounts are in a little bit of drawdown. Ones that break even, the other ones are down like $250. Is what it is. We're gonna start fresh. Um, hopefully tomorrow, if not Monday. And it is what it is. The strategy is still profitable, guys. Like I know somebody asked me the win rate. Currently, the win rate is we're at a 54% win rate. We're up $36,000. It's not bad, right? Like hypothetically speaking, if I had those 300Ks passed already, right? If I had those 300Ks passed in January of this year, and let's say we were risking $500 to make $1,000, that means that we would be sitting at what? $38,000 in profit. Is that right? $1,000. Why is this not moving? Oh, because it's not changing here. This one's linked to here. Ah, okay, here we go. So let's say you're risking what was it again? $500 to make $1,000. Right? That's $18,000 per account. So you're talking about if I have 3 accounts passed, that's 2, 4, 60,000 by 6, $54,000. Right? $54,000 in what? January, February, March, April, May. In 5 months. That's not bad, right? All for 3 accounts. And then if you could add accounts to that and then add accounts, it just grows, right? Like that's the whole purpose of prop firms is for us to grow our base. So we could have more funds to trade with and make more money. So, anywho, that's pretty much the gist, and that's pretty much the win rate that we're currently at. I am going to double check all that stuff and see if we are able to get in maybe at a better price when the stop loss is a little bigger. I'm definitely gonna look into. So I'll probably do that this weekend. Let's see. Did we sleep any of this? No. Price action. Okay. Getting into the strategy that I'm going to use from 9:30 to 11. It's going to be it's simple. We're just looking at divergence between ES and NQ, and we're going to look at areas where I believe that price will bounce from, right? So this morning I ended the day only up $100. I haven't been letting it run like full TP, so I really need to work on that. And I'm hoping that the live stream, when the pressure's on, it does help me, right? So today, let's just mark up. Let's take a look at where 9:30 is. Oh, this is on the 5-minute chart. So 1-minute chart, just so you guys have a little bit of an understanding of what I'm looking for. So divergence basically means one chart is doing this, right? And then the other chart will do something different, right? right? And when that difference happens, you're looking for signals showing you that price maybe will go in the opposite direction. So 930 is here, right? Here, 930 open. Right off the bat at 930, we had all this consolidation, but over here we were taking out the highs. We're continuously going up. So technically, we had divergence right off the bat, right? But we never got an engulfing candle for me to go in on, which is basically the thing that I'm looking for, right? Is like a I want to see, honestly, I'd rather see price go like this and then get in on that. Like that's what I would like to see. But you really do not see that. Price is consolidating, price pushed down. At this point in time, you can see that this low, where's my, this low here was taken out, right? However, that same low on ES wasn't. So right there you have your divergence, right? And this was the setup. I took an unnecessary loss today because I was too impatient while waiting for this, right? Engulfed this candle and pushed up. So you take a long position at the closure of this candle, right? I have my stops here. I'm targeting 2 times risk. That's it. That's the trade. As simple as that. I got in. I got in on this candle here. I got in early. Why did I get it in early here? Because we swept all these lows, right? And we didn't sweep them here. And I'm just like, oh, price might bounce. I knew better because I was trading with my friend. And I was like, dude, I'm going to take this trade. And I said it. I'm going to FOMO into this trade just to see, but it's probably going to lose, right? Because there's sell side liquidity here and price is fucking bearish. What happened? Exactly what I said. So unfortunately, I did take that loss. Um, took this winner and I got out early. And then I also caught this little bit of divergence and got out early. Where is it? Where's the one that I caught? It was right here. So there is slight divergence between these two highs. And if you look at them here, they are going up, believe it or not. So when that happened and this candle engulfed that one, I took a quick short. I wasn't too confident in the trade, right? But same concept, and I got out at the middle of this wick. So I was able to make back the money that I lost, and then a little extra, right? And I ended up the day in green. So, but even though if you actually take the entries, let's just say that you sit there and take these entries long position, right? Let's mark them up together. Let's say this is a loss because it was, right? Let's say you took the following entry long, which is a winner, right? So you have a winner. Let's mark this up as a loss, right? So you have winner, loser, winner, your break even, and then you're waiting for um, the next divergence, which would be here, okay, right here, right there, right, and then that is right? Engulfed a bullish candle, short position. That's it. So technically, if I would have let my trades run out, taking the 4 entries including the loser that I took, which I knew was going to lose, but taking the 4 trades, I would still be up. Let's see, this is 2R, 4R minus 2R, I'd be up 2R, right? So if I'm wagering $200, so I'd be up. Let's see, 2 and 2 is 4, and this is 8, so I'd be up $400. Right? It's that simple. There's a video that I did with a back test on FX Replay showing that trading this way, I was able to pass a 50K challenge, risking $250 within 1 week. So I'm hoping we can recreate that next week, and within a week or two, pass those challenges. And if so, then that's the strategy I'm going to use forward with those accounts, right? And that's pretty much it. So wish me luck, guys. Hopefully, tomorrow I will be live trading. Okay? And I'll see you guys here. Take care. Have a great night, and see you in the morning.